Did you know that Neville Goddard's law of imagining has transformed countless lives? Today, I'll show you how this powerful concept can change yours too. Stay tuned. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Neville Goddard, a renowned mystic and teacher who introduced the revolutionary concept of the law of imagining. Neville's teachings emphasize the power of imagination to shape our reality, a concept that has inspired and changed the lives of many. But who was Neville Goddard? And what exactly is the law of imagining? Neville Goddard, born in 1905 in Barbados, was a prominent figure in the field of metaphysics. He believed that our imagination is a divine tool that can be used to manifest our deepest desires. According to Neville, imagination creates reality. This means that the world around us is a direct reflection of our inner thoughts and visualizations. Despite its transformative potential, many people have misconceptions or doubts about the law of imagining. At the core of Neville Goddard's philosophy is the idea that imagination is a divine tool given to us to create our reality. He taught that imagination creates reality, meaning that our inner world, comprised of our thoughts, feelings, and visualizations, shapes our outer experiences. According to Neville, the key to using this law effectively is to imagine the end result of our desires as if they have already been achieved. This involves creating a vivid mental picture of our desired outcome and feeling the emotions associated with its fulfillment. By doing this, we align our subconscious mind with our desires, which then works to bring them into our physical reality. One of the most common misconceptions about the law of imagining is that it is akin to wishful thinking or mere daydreaming. Many people believe that simply imagining something without taking any action will not lead to tangible results. However, Neville taught that imagination is a powerful force that influences the subconscious mind, which in turn affects our actions and the opportunities that come our way. Another misconception is that the law of imagining contradicts the need for hard work and effort. Critics argue that success requires practical steps and diligent work, not just positive thinking. While it is true that action is necessary, Neville emphasized that imagination provides the blueprint for those actions. When we imagine our desired outcomes clearly, we naturally take the steps needed to achieve them. Skepticism about the law of imagining often stems from deeply ingrained beliefs about the nature of reality. Many people are conditioned to believe that life is a series of random events beyond our control. This deterministic view can make it difficult to accept that our thoughts and imagination play a crucial role in shaping our experiences. Additionally, past failures and disappointments can create doubts about the effectiveness of the law of imagining. People may have tried positive thinking or visualization techniques in the past without seeing significant results, leading them to dismiss these practices as ineffective. One of the biggest challenges in applying the law of imagining is maintaining consistency. It is easy to fall back into old thought patterns and negative beliefs, especially when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Consistent practice requires discipline and a strong commitment to changing one's mindset. Distractions and a busy lifestyle can also interfere with the practice of imaginative techniques. Finding quiet time to visualize and focus on desires can be challenging in a world filled with constant noise and activity. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize that our thoughts are incredibly powerful and have a direct impact on our reality. This idea is supported by modern neuroscience, which shows that our thoughts can change the structure and function of our brains. When we think positively and visualize success, we create new neural pathways that support these outcomes. Our thoughts also influence our emotions, which in turn affect our actions and behaviors. Positive thoughts generate positive emotions, leading to actions that align with our desires. Conversely, negative thoughts can create a cycle of self-doubt and inaction. The subconscious mind plays a crucial role in Neville's philosophy. He believed that the subconscious mind accepts as true whatever we consistently imagine and feel. This means that by visualizing our desires and feeling the emotions associated with their fulfillment, we impress these images onto our subconscious mind. The subconscious mind then works to bring these images into our physical reality, often in ways that seem coincidental or miraculous. This process is not always immediate and may require persistence and patience, but the results can be profound. The technique of living in the end. One of Neville's most powerful techniques is living in the end. This involves imagining the desired outcome as if it has already been achieved. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, you would imagine yourself already working in that job, feeling the satisfaction and joy that come with it. This technique requires more than just visualizing the outcome. It involves feeling the emotions associated with achieving the goal. Emotions are a key component because they help to reinforce the belief in the subconscious mind. By consistently imagining and feeling the desired outcome, you align your subconscious mind with your goals. Practical steps for effective visualization. Set clear intentions. Begin by setting a clear and specific intention for what you want to manifest. This helps to focus your imagination and gives direction to your visualizations. Create a vivid mental image. Use your imagination to create a detailed mental picture of your desired outcome. Engage all your senses to make the visualization as real as possible. See, hear, feel, and even smell the scenario you are imagining. Feel the emotions. As you visualize, feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. This could be joy, gratitude, relief, or any other positive emotion. Emotions add power to your visualizations and help to impress the desired outcome on your subconscious mind. Practice consistently. Make visualization a daily practice. Set aside time each day to focus on your desired outcome and immerse yourself in the experience. Consistency is key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. Ignore contradictory evidence. During the manifestation process, you may encounter evidence that contradicts your desired outcome. It is important to remain focused on your vision and not be swayed by temporary setbacks or doubts. Real-life examples. Jessica had been dealing with financial difficulties for years. No matter how hard she worked, she could never seem to get ahead. She felt trapped in a cycle of debt and worry, which only reinforced her feelings of lack and limitation. When Jessica discovered Neville Goddard's teachings, she was initially skeptical. However, she decided to give the law of imagining a try, as she had nothing to lose. She began by setting a clear intention: I am financially abundant and secure. Every night before bed, Jessica visualized herself living a life of financial freedom. She imagined checking her bank account and seeing a large balance, feeling the relief and joy that came with financial security. Jessica's visualizations were vivid and detailed. She saw herself paying off her debts, traveling to beautiful destinations, and enjoying time with her family without the stress of financial worry. She felt the emotions of gratitude, joy, and relief as she imagined these scenarios. At first, Jessica faced doubts and negative thoughts. She struggled to maintain her belief in the power of her imagination, especially when faced with bills and financial challenges. However, she persisted, reminding herself of Neville's teachings and the importance of consistent practice. After a few months, Jessica began to notice subtle changes. She received an unexpected promotion at work, which came with a significant salary increase. Around the same time, she started a small side business that quickly gained traction, providing her with an additional source of income. Within a year, Jessica's financial situation had completely transformed. She was able to pay off her debts, build savings, and enjoy the financial freedom she had visualized. Jessica's story illustrates the transformative power of the law of imagining. By focusing her thoughts and emotions on her desired outcome, she was able to align her subconscious mind with financial abundance, leading to real-world changes in her circumstances. Neville Goddard's law of imagining teaches us that our thoughts and imagination are powerful tools that can shape our reality. By vividly imagining our desires as already fulfilled and feeling the associated emotions, we can align our subconscious mind with our goals and manifest them into our physical world. This process requires consistent practice, persistence, and a strong belief in the power of our imagination. As we've seen through examples like Jessica's financial transformation, the law of imagining has the potential to create profound changes in various aspects of our lives, from career advancement to health improvement. The key principles of Neville's teachings, clear intentions, vivid visualization, emotional engagement, and persistent practice, can help us harness the power of our imagination to achieve our dreams. Now it's your turn. Try out Neville Goddard's techniques and start manifesting your dreams. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips and insights. Remember, your imagination is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely.